Daddy doing some fun stuff with Logan.
And me. And me, Dad. And me, Logan.
Oh, little boy in the way. Now Logan's gonna go jump on the trampoline. Watch.
I can
jump. Look at him go. Now what's he gonna do?
He can do that.
Oh, I think he wants to flip some more. Don't pull on that. Yay, Logan!
He's so crazy.
So Logan, put your head down.
Put your head down.
There you go.
Ooh! You did it?
Uh-huh.